Hello there, this is Vinny from the Creative Plans Co. Thank you for purchasing the Simple Budget spreadsheet. In this guide, I will show you how to use your new budget planner in both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. Although this tutorial uses Google Sheets, the steps I'm showing you will also apply for Microsoft Excel. During this tutorial, I will be using the Simple Monthly Budget spreadsheet in red. However, please note that the instructions in this video also apply to all variants and colors of the Simple Budget products. So this includes the weekly, bi-weekly, paycheck, and monthly variants. Since the spreadsheet is available in multiple budget periods, I will refer to this as the budget period throughout this tutorial. Let's start with data protection. At the bottom of the window, you will notice that some tabs are locked. These protections are in place to prevent accidental editing of cells that contain formulas, which are also marked with background colors. But don't worry, all the cells where you need to enter data are completely editable and are represented with a white background. If you would like to remove this protection in Google Sheets, go to Data in the top menu, then select Protect Sheets and Ranges. From there, click on the tab name, then click the trash icon to delete the protection. In Excel, go to Review in the ribbon and select Unprotect Sheet or Pause Protection if you're viewing Excel through the browser version. Now, let's focus on the main budget portion of the spreadsheet, which is the Dashboard tab. This is where you will track each budget period. To get started, we first need to set the date range for your budget. This will automatically update the date shown on the top left-hand corner. To change the date range, simply input your budget start and budget end dates in the designated fields. It is very important to note that the spreadsheet uses a month, day, year format, so please make sure to enter the dates in this order. Also, you can set your default currency on the Instructions tab. To do so, select your preferred currency from the drop-down menu, and your currency will update across the entire sheet. The Simple Budget allows you to track various financial categories. This includes income, expenses, bills, savings and investments, and debt. In each section, under the category column, you can customize your categories. I have given a few examples, but you are free to delete or create your own categories as needed. For each category, you will find an expected column. This is where you will enter your budgeted amounts for the budget period that you are planning for. For example, if you expect to receive $5,000 for this budget period, enter that amount under the expected column in the income category. If you plan to spend $200 on food, enter $200 into the expenses category. Once you have filled out all your expected amounts for income, debt, savings and investments, expenses, and bills, you will see a summary in the cash flow summary table. This shows the total amount that you expect to have at the end of the period if you follow your budget exactly to the T. Once your budget is set, you can start tracking actual transactions for the period. Simply scroll down to the transactions list at the bottom of the Dashboard tab. To log a transaction, enter the dates, transaction type, category, and amounts. All of your entered transactions will automatically update the actual columns in the summary tables. For example, if you spent $200 on food, enter this in your transactions list, and the amount will reflect under the actual column in the expenses summary table. As you make payments for bills, savings and investments, and debts, you can check the box next to each category to mark it as paid. As you continue to log your transactions, the spreadsheet will automatically update, including the charts, graphs, and summary boards. This will continue to give you a real-time view of your financial situation. Let's talk about how to budget for the upcoming period. Since the dashboard is designed to cover a specific time frame, whether that's monthly, weekly, bi-weekly, paycheck, or even a custom period, you will need to duplicate the dashboard tab. If you are using Google Sheets, just right-click on the tab at the bottom and select Duplicate. After that, you can easily rename the tab to match your new budget period. If you are using Excel, right-click on the tab, select Move or Copy, then check the box for Create a Copy and click OK. Make sure to double-check the tab name and change it if needed. Once the tab is duplicated, you can start customizing your categories for the new budget period. If you copied from a previous budget, remember to clear out the old budgets and transactions to get it ready for the new period. As you can see here, this budget still has information from the previous period, so you will need to clear that out. A great tip is to keep a master copy of the original dashboard so you always have a clean, unaltered version to duplicate from for future periods. Entering the categories again should be quick and easy. You're now ready to use your budget for the next budgeting period. And that's a wrap. If you ever need to revisit any of the steps in this tutorial, feel free to check out the written guide in the instructions tab within your template. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you. If you have any questions along the way, please do not hesitate to reach out. If you are enjoying the spreadsheet, please consider leaving a review. Your feedback really helps support my small business and allows me to continue creating tools to help you with your financial journey. Thank you so much for trusting the Creative Plans Co. with your budgeting needs. I'm wishing you all the best as you take control of your finances.